Look at that lightning. Oh my god. Holy shit. So let me get the screen brightness off here. Look at that out there. Oh my god. Holy shit. And take you outside the window. So you guys can see the lightning. It's fucking scary as hell. Is there some person out on the street? Look at the lightning. Look at the ground. I think I can get over there. Somehow. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Hello, lightning. They're right there. I gotta reply to something. See that shit, you guys? These are the storms that produce those storm clouds up in southeastern Milwaukee. That's right over our faces. That is scary as hell. It's so fucking cool.